Okay, here we have bird dog. So I'm just starting on all fours. Knees are underneath my hips, hands are underneath my shoulders. I'm keeping my whole spine firm. I'm not sagging down, I'm not arching up. Maintaining that neutral position, just keeping that firm. Making sure that my neck is also not being cranked up or not being rolled down. Keeping that in that nice neutral position and then holding it firm there. What I'm going to do is lift up my opposite arm and opposite leg and straighten them out. Holding this for 2. And then slowly coming back down for a count of 4. So again, that's straightening out. Holding for 2. Slowly coming back down for 4. Making sure you do both sides, do 10 each side, and then go through that 2 or 3 times.